Hello students, welcome to English online classes. So before starting today's poem, I just want to tell you that as a women, we have to play a different role in our society. Sometimes we are a mother, sometimes we are sister, sometimes we are daughter. And the most complicated role is of a daughter. And how this role is complicated, we will discuss through our poem My Mother at 66, that is written by poetess Kamla Das. She is a very well renowned poetess of our Indian literature and she has won many awards in her life. So let's proceed to the poem. So, before starting the poem or about the poet, I will tell you about the introduction of this poem. My Mother at 66. It is a very emotional kind of poem that describes a daughter's feeling towards her mother. Kamla Das has written this poem. As I've told you already that this poem has written by poetess Kamla Das, and this poem describes a daughter's feelings towards her mother. She is an acclaimed Indian woman writer in English. She expresses her concern over her mother's aging in this poem. As we very well know that as a human being we have to pass through the different ages, and same thing was happening with her mother here. And in this poem now her mother is in old age, so she is describing her concern, or she is expressing her concern, her you can say that her problem or her overthinking. She is overthinking about her mother's aging in this poem. Through the lines of this poem, the poet has poured her fear of losing her mother as a daughter. And she has expressed here her feeling as she is gradually she is losing her mother day by day. She is going far away from her mother. This is a confessional poem that presents the common feelings daughter have for their mother, and you can say that this is a confessional poem. Confessional poem are the poem in which poet or poetess tells us, or they confess something, they admit something about themselves. So you can say that this is a confessional poem that presents the common feelings of the daughters which they have for their mothers. In this regard, this poem is a representational work, and this is a representational work of Kamla Das. Now we will get more knowledge about the poetess of this poem, My Mother at 66. And as I've already told you that the poetess of this poem is Kamla Das. Here on the screen, the picture is there. You can see it. And she was born on 31st March in 1934, Punanyarkulam, Malabar district, Madras Presidency. At the time, Madras presidency was in British India, and she was died on 31st May 2009. At that time, she was uh, almost 75 years of age. She was living in Pune, Maharashtra, India. She has written in Malayalam and English, both the languages, and in Malayalam she has written with the pen name Madhava Kurti. Pen name means by the she has not written by the name of Kamala Das in Malayalam. She has written her short stories or the poems by the name of Madhava Kurti. Occupation: poet and short story writer. Nationality: she was an Indian. Genre means her work. She has written in poetry and short story both. And the notable award she has got, Ajit Chanan Puraskaram, and that was the highest literary award given by the Kerala government. Valar Award, Sahitya Akademi Award, SN Word Prize, Asian Poetry Prize, Kent Award. As we can see that she has got a lot of puraskar, lot of awards from in literature. And her spouse, Spouse means her life partner name was Madhava Das. Some popular works of Kamala Das are An Introduction, A Hot Noon in Malabar, and My Grandfather's House. So here are the famous works which I've told you. She writes in a matter-of-fact tone, and her honesty and boldness in expressing her thoughts often keeps her critics and readers spellbound. And whatever she write with so much honesty and so much boldness, and she was very clear, very frank in expressing her thoughts, that most of the times her critics, her readers was spellbound by her words. Kamala Das has written poems, short stories, memoirs, and novel as well. The Times had called her the mother of modern English Indian poetry, and she was called the mother of modern English poetry. And I will tell you one more information, that the father of our modern English Indian poetry is Nasim Isgil, and she is the mother of modern English Indian poetry. Here are the features of this poem. We will discuss now in short, and when we will discuss the poem, we will discuss or explain all these features in detail. First feature is contemporary subject, professional, commitments versus social family commitments. Ample use of literary devices as simile, metaphor, transfer, epithet, alliteration, personification, repetition. These are the literary device which I will tell you in uh, detail during the poem. Subtle portrayal of emotions, practical approach of the new age, conflicting situation. Conflicting situation means there's a some controversy situation. Subtle meaningful images. So these were some features. We will discuss all these features in detail, as I've already told you during the poem. Central theme of the poem. The poem My Mother at 66 is an intimate work presenting the poet's thought. In this poem, we will read her thoughts. These are the thoughts which is created by her, which is generated in her mind when she was writing. It deals with the feeling of fear and emotions that daughter experienced with her mother. And this poem deals with the same kind of fear, same kind of emotion, same kind of the things which the daughter experienced with their mother. Any child which is attached to his mother, similarly, children generally are afraid of losing their mothers. And as a human being, we have seen that many of the that when the child is small, he or she is always attached with his mother. They cannot leave without his mother. And similarly, children generally are afraid of losing their mother. And in the same way, they are afraid of thinking, or they are afraid by a single thought which came in their mind, that if their mother will go anywhere, how they will survive. This poem brings out this ordinary but profound human nature through a personal reverie that is inevitable, but people are afraid of losing their dear ones. We know each and everyone that that is inevitable. We cannot forget the death, but people are afraid of losing their dear ones. But always we have a fear, always we have kind of feeling that our dear ones will not go far away from us. They should be always with us, though we know that it cannot be happen. As the poet expresses, the bond between a mother and the child is special, and therefore the anxiety in losing the relationship is also strong. And as the poet expresses, the bond between a mother and her child, that is a very special kind of feeling, that is a very special kind of bond, as we all know, and therefore the anxiety in losing the relationship is also strong. As its thematic concern, the poem brings out the inner thoughts of a daughter for her mother. And what is the main theme of that? Main theme, main concern, but behind this poem was inner thought of a daughter for her mother. essence of the poem. In short, we can say that mothers are God's greatest gift to humanity. Each one of us has the fear of losing our mother, don't we? Yes, we, we all have fear of losing our mother at any stage we are. So the poet Kamla Das, through her poem, My Mother at 66, expresses her sudden realization that her mother has grown old and passed away any time. And this is the same thing happening with Kamla Das, and through her poem by Mother at 66, she is expressing that suddenly she has got the realization that now her mother is grown old, and any time she can go far away from her. Line by line explanation of this poem we will do in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy at home, and if you like the video, then please like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon also. Thank you.